have a complex number written in polar form. C is equal to r times the cosine of theta plus I times the sine of the theta, and I want to realize z to some power n. Then instead of multiplying z times cosine theta plus I times the sine of theta by itself over and over again, I can use DeMoiver's theorem, and that tells us that our complex number raised to the nth power, well, that's the same as r to the n power, and then the n comes inside our cosine and our side, and we just multiplying our angle by n, so it is the cosine of n times theta plus I times the sine of n times theta. So again, let us practice this here. DeMoiver's theorem. Here is z, it is equal to 7 times the cosine of 20 degrees plus I times the sine of 20 degrees. We want to find z raised to the fourth power. Well, z to the fourth power is equal to r to the fourth power, so 7 to the fourth power times the cosine of n times theta, so 4 times 20 degrees plus I times the sine of 4 times 20 degrees. So z to the fourth power is equal to 7 to the fourth power, which is 401, and that's multiplied by the cosine of 4 times 20 degree or 80 degrees plus I times the sine of 4 times 20 degrees or 80 degrees, and that would be our solution.